Okay, first, part 3 for the osmosis lab deals with using 2 beakers, food coloring, your thermometer, and your hot plate. You want to turn the hot plate on. You can turn it high. Be a little careful. You're going to take one of the beakers. They should both have about the same amount of water. So filled up right now with 150. Having it set up. I'm going to place this on the hot plate. Now I can get started. As long as this is 10 degrees higher than this, I can actually get started. I don't have to wait till it boils or anything. In fact, I do not want it to boil because when it's boiling, it has more physics to stirring things up. What we just want to know is, does a change in temperature affect diffusion? Remember, diffusion means things are going to be moving from one place to another. If you remember my definition in the classroom, I'm going from a place of high concentration to a place of low concentration, where there's a lot to where there's very little. Okay, so now I'm just going to wait for this. And cut that off, start off. Once I've measured the temperature, I got a 5-degree difference. I'm going to put 5 drops into each. And I'm going to stir. And then I'm just going to write down in 5 minutes, I'm going to see what happens. So the dye allows me to visually see how it moves in the water. Stop. Now, when we look at this, in terms of this, we had a temperature between the two. And I want to measure the temperature again. And we're looking at 17.
Still?
Well, it's room temperature. And we're looking at still rising, approaching 40.
40?
It's slowing down. Oh, it's gone past 40. 42.
42. Got it.
And taking this out so I can see. And as you can see, the room temperature, I see it much darker on the bottom. While the one that is warmer, the bottom is not as much dark and is a little bit more even across. So what was the effect of a warmer temperature on diffusing the food coloring through the water compared to room temperature? And you stop.